Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're testing out the Glamlite Ice Cream Dream palette. Look like this. This is not new, but it's new to me, and I'm gonna try and be quick with this video because there's a lot of noise happening outside and I know my mic is going to pick up on everything. So if you like videos like this and are interested in seeing my opinions and what I do with this palette, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching this video. So first, let's get a look at the palette. It is so cute. I'm obsessed with this packaging because it has these little like sprinkles that actually like move around in the package, which is so cool. And then the actual palette is stunning. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm so excited to test this palette. Like, this is every color I could ever want. I also thought that this dress and these earrings were perfect for today because, like, don't we just look like ice cream? Got you guys zoomed in. Don't mind this. I literally got bit on my face by a mosquito. The mosquitoes are out to get me. I will be doing swatches at the end for you guys, so if you want to see swatches, stay till the end. So first, I think I'm gonna take bubble gum and put that on my inner corner. And then I'm going to take honey lavender and put that on the center of my eyelid. Then taking Cookie Monster and putting that on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm taking mint chocolate and I'm using that to blend out the blue and the purple kind of into the center. Then I'm taking mochi and using that to blend out the pink in the front. And I noticed I was starting to lose my pink and purple, so I'm just going back over the pink and purple again to get the pigment back. So far, I'm loving this, and it looks like an ice cream dream, and like, it's everything so far. Now, I am curious to dip into some of these shimmers, so I think I might take strawberry and blueberry cheesecake and kind of put them over top of the pink and the purple, but I'm gonna have to do that on a brush, so hopefully it works on a brush. First up with strawberry. We're getting some pigment, but not as much pigment as I would like. It matches my nails. Now I'm gonna take blueberry cheesecake on my finger because I'm gonna be putting it in the middle over top of the purple. And then just to spice that up a little bit more, I'm gonna add French vanilla to the very center of my eyelid. Adding that little streak just really brightens up the center of the eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go do that on the other eye, finish up my base makeup so we can come back and finish this eye look. I do not want to talk about the fact that I just realized that all the shade names are ice cream flavors. Okay, so since my earrings have a little bit of yellow in them, I do want to try and do a little bit of yellow on the under eye. So I'm gonna take the shade Mango and I'm gonna put that somewhere in my under eye. I'm not quite sure where yet. I guess on my inner part of my under eye. That's where we're going. Now I think I'm gonna take more of Cookie Monster and put that on the outer corner of my under eye. That shade has a lot of fallout. Like a dog or a chicken or something outside. That's literally a chicken. Dog, that sounds like a chicken. Then I'm gonna take mint chocolate again and blend out that blue. Okay, I think that's the eye look done. Now I'm gonna go add mascara, lashes, do everything else, and we'll be back. Okay, the eye look is done. What do we think? I don't know, what do we think? I actually think it turned out really good. I love this eye look. I'm so excited to keep using this eyeshadow palette. However, I do not know what my hair is doing. It is literally everything that I love. Ice cream, beautiful pastels, and then there's like these rich like neutrals. I'm so excited to keep using this palette. It was definitely worth the money. I literally bought it because my friend Hannah's Glamlite package was accidentally delivered to my house. And when I saw what was inside of her package, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. So that's literally how I wound up with this, is I had to buy it because she bought it and it looked amazing. Now for the swatches. For the swatches, I'm going to be going down in like columns instead of rows. This is row 1. I used these 3 shades right here on my eye today. I just swatched Salted Caramel. Here's the second row. Look at Salted Caramel. That is literally insane. This one is Salted Caramel. Also, I was so busy being mesmerized by salted caramel. I didn't even realize I literally got eyeshadow all over my dress. That shade's so stunning. I cannot wait to put that on my eye. Y'all, birthday cake? This middle shade here? Holy crap. Look at it. It is so beautiful. It's this beautiful like green with this yellow gold shimmer in it. I am obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. I cannot wait to do like a full green teal look with this. Oh my gosh. Here is the 4th row. Lemon is really, really cute. It's this really pretty lemony gold. Like I really like what they've done because it's like, I don't know, it's a very yellow gold, but I think it's really cute. Also, this swatch is bad. I think that's just my fault. Here is the 5th and final row. Pretty neutral. This is French Vanilla. I used that today. And then this is Orange Dream. And it's so pretty. It's like a really pretty coral. I don't usually like corals, but I really feel like that could be the coral to get me to like corals. Also, I'm loving these two shades together. Like, I used this one as well. This is something. It's like lemon something. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that the sounds outside weren't too irritating. I think I did this well enough so you can't hear them too much. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below like what kind of eye looks you'd like to see with this eyeshadow palette. I cannot wait to use it more. And also I hope you guys liked this testing video in more of a tutorial style. I know you guys voted that you want more tutorials on my channel, so I'm trying to do some testing videos in more of a tutorial sense. I post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel to see what I post next. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Kinda itch. Hopefully I like this camera setting because I just don't know. It looks good in my viewfinder, but I also cannot see that well.